of the training units you can see here.
These are actual training units that we use a lot for crew training. The engineers use these to go in and make sure that new equipment's going to fit when we fly it up to the space station itself. This is actually a working laboratory that you're looking at here. The pieces of the space station are spread about on the floor. Most of them are roughly in the configuration that we have in space, but because we're limited to the flat floor, there's some things that are laid out a little bit differently here, but it gives you an idea for the sheer magnitude of all of these elements of the space station. One of the big ones right in front of you is the U.S. laboratory, and inside that are most of the equipment and the racks, just like we have it in space. We use these for training different types of space station procedures. We go in and practice the logistics of what it takes to move things from one end to the other. A little bit over to your left is the space station airlock. I've personally spent hundreds of hours in there as we practice all of the preparation for getting all of our equipment together and getting into our suits to head out the door. This is the one place where we really have everything put together and we can practice just like we're going to fly.
Astronaut Bob Cabana.
The U.S. laboratory connects to Node 1 that connects to the Russian segment of the space station, the functional cargo bot Zarya, and then the service module Zvezda.